Hi Anthony, how are you?
G'day! I want to show you today how to install a 1.2 meter drill and drop probe into a clay loam soil in a vineyard. So we have a tapered auger with a tungsten drill bit. Tungsten is a very hard metal, so it helps us really to break small stones. And we have an electrical drill. And what we do is, just before we insert the probe, we wet the probe body before insertion. It's a bit like soap, you know, it really glides in much better. We have a bucket that we take along to put the soil shavings in to keep the site clean. And we have a generator to operate the electrical drill and an extension cord. So let's take a look at the toolkit. We basically got a little tripod, right, that got a swivel metal insert here. Pins that will pin it to the surface of the soil to make it very rigid. If the drill for some reason doesn't get it in, you can actually manually get it into the soil or get it out again as well. We also have some newspaper, and once we remove the tripod, when the hole is finished, we can just lift out the shavings into the bucket and keep it very nice and clean. The little trowel here is used to dig a little trench once we made the hole for the cable of the probe to just be a little bit subsurface. Now I identify a dripper right here. It's nicely between the vines. The center of the tripod should be about 10 to 15 centimeters away from the emitter. And the leg over here. And now you have a very rigid tripod. So I'm going to insert the auger now, keep it really straight as you possibly can, and start drilling. Now the important thing with drilling is to make very slight up and down movement while you do the drilling. The reason for that is you want to transport the shavings out. If you just keep going, the drill just will basically go deeper and deeper until it gets stuck. Now and then you just give it a little bit of a wetting of the auger. Continue the up and just to move the shavings out of the hole and not to get the auger stuck. Now it's getting a little bit drier down there. So you can see the clay shavings come out nice. This is the upper part of the auger that we want to have level with this ring from the centerpiece of the tripod. When we achieve that, then we have the hole to depth. Almost there, but we will do a test because there's no point of putting the probe in if we still got too much material at the bottom. I like to feel it. Okay, we're going to insert the auger without spinning and see how far we can move it, pretending this is a probe. You can see it's not quite there yet. There's some bits and pieces still down there. Again, we give it another spin. We will insert the auger without spinning it and see how far we can push it. So this. Lift the tripod away. Remove the soil shavings. Before you insert the probe, we need to make a little trench for the cable, right? Just like that. And then we do the last bit moving away. Now we get to the drop part. give it a nice wetting, right? A little bit top of the hole, not much, keep it low. Align the cable with a little trench you've dug towards the emitter like this, and then basically drop the probe in and just put your foot gently on it and press it, and it makes very strong contact with the soil. And you can see now the cable sits in the trench. Because it's tapered and the dimension of the hole are exactly the dimension of the tapered probe, when it comes to be level with the surface, it's in very, very tight contact with the soil. So what we're going to do is we can excavate a little bit around the probe. Just carefully, so don't damage the probe. So we excavate down to 10-15 centimeters and then remove all the clay around the probe, because you want to have a clean surface, not a slippery one. Now this is our little extraction tool. So we got sandpaper here, and that closes around the probe upper body, and then we clamp it shut like this. Now one thing you got to watch is that you bend down the cable like that, and you close it like that, so the cable is not interfering, and close it shut like this. So just before you pull it upward, give it a bit of a wiggle, just pull it, and because it's tapered it comes loose very easily, and out it is. Open it, and you basically, haven't destroyed the upper part of the probe. So don't use pliers or anything like that. Use that special tool and you will have fun with the probe for many, many years. If you still can't get it out with a lever action, you take the big gun, a high lift car jack, put it on the wooden board like this, put this along, and then basically start So again, you've broken the seal, and here she comes. Right up. And now you can just take it out. Job done.